Well, good Wednesday morning to you and happy hump day. Today is the calm before the storm. If you've been watching, we've been tracking the storm throughout the week here. There's already a winter storm watch in effect for Thursday night into Friday evening for these areas highlighted northern parts of El Paso County, the southern portions of I-25. So I wanted to go ahead and get right into what we can expect for tomorrow. So here's the precip chances ahead. I have Thursday during the day, but the bigger chance Thursday night into Friday here and then dry behind it. But here's the main timing. It is isolated to Thursday into Friday, and here's what we're looking at right here. So I've taken you to the upper atmosphere here just to show you the heights on the board and what we're expecting here. So we have the first wave of energy moving through to our south. This won't have any impact for us, maybe little impact in terms of maybe a shower to the plains. But as this other one comes in from the west, this troughing feature here, here's where we start to get some changes into the mix. Now this is Thursday afternoon that I have this pause for. The reason for that is because there is a little bit of some shortwave energy moving through there. We'll kick up maybe some snow showers into the afternoon, maybe some rain showers into the lower elevations where the temperatures are a tad bit warmer for us. Now as the core of this storm starts to move through, you can notice that this is when it starts to really pick up for this. So this is Thursday night into Friday morning. This particular model has a circulation that develops with it, and with that being said, it really strengthens here as it would go into Friday morning. We get some northeast north flow behind this, so that's the upslope flow, really can drive up the snow totals for us. So the main timing here that I'm watching for is Thursday night into Friday morning, and this is when it really becomes widespread for our area. The thing about it here is that it does get out of here relatively quickly, which the speed and the track of the storm can greatly impact the totals for us, so that's what we're still watching. But in terms of the totals, this is not an answer key. This is subject to change as the track continues to move closer to us, but this is the general trend at what we're watching right now. Looking like the northern parts of El Paso County and Teller County into the northern parts of I-25 get the most here, generally tapers off as we go off to the plains and into the southern parts of the area, into maybe the Wet Mountains, the San Gregorio Cristo Mountains. You can notice you're getting a little bit more. Some isolated amounts could be more, and the reason why we have the ranges onto the board there, 3 to 7 for example, is because the speed of the storm greatly impacts that. If it moves very fast, then we're going to be on the shorter end of that. If it moves very slow, then the totals could be driven up much more. So just some reminders here. The timing is Thursday afternoon into Friday morning. Totals, once again, the track and the speed greatly impact that. And I have impacts here for commutes on Friday in both the morning and the evening time, because whatever falls on the morning time could still be around into the afternoon time. So here's how this looks going into the weekend. We have the 40s here on Thursday. That's when the preliminary rounds of snow showers start into the evening time. Cooler spots on Friday, but we do have the sun icon here because in the afternoon time, this starts to clear out, or that's what models are suggesting right now. 20s and 30s on Friday, and then the 40s as we go to Saturday. So that's a look into that. But as for right now, it is 43 degrees in Monuments there. Calmer start to the morning. Woodland Park 32 on the WireNut Home Services camera. And here's a look at temperatures. We're into the 30s in the Springs, 34 in Pueblo, 48 in Walsenburg. Some cloud cover around. That'll be the case throughout the daytime today. We'll see an increase as we go throughout the rest of our Wednesday. Highs, though, will still be above normal today. 57 in the Springs, 60 in Pueblo, 56 in Canyon City, 62 here in Trinidad. So wind-wise, though, it was a little breezy yesterday, very gusty around. I think that calms down a lot more today. You'll notice here maybe some peaks into the higher terrain, get some of those gusts of up to 20, 30 miles an hour. But widespread-wise, we're looking much calmer in terms of wind for today. Now, we are going to see a lot more cloud coverage to go around, but again, a much calmer day for us. We have above normal temperatures to go around, and so things are looking upwards for Wednesday. So here's how this looks in an overarching view. Today, a calmer day before we start to see some changes on Thursday into Friday. Of course, the snow chances are better Thursday into Friday, and then we start to clear up as we go into Saturday and warm up as we go into Sunday. Here's a look at the 10-day forecast and what we're expecting beyond all of this that's coming this week. We show you the 10-day to capture any trends or patterns that we're watching, and right now it looks like we're going back to the pattern of above normal temperatures in very dry weather for us here in the southern Colorado. Alrighty, that's a look at your forecast update. Here's